Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm having kind of like a seafood boil soup. Yeah, so I've got all my ingredients here. I have Chinese cabbage, pumpkin, potato, and I also have corn, beans and carrots. That's already chopped up. I got it from Woolies. So I've got my so I already have my pot boiling here. I'll put a half an onion right there. And then I'm gonna put my potatoes in there. I'll chop this one in half because it's quite big. Thanks for joining me, guys. I thought I haven't uploaded a video like in a whole week. So what am I doing? I should upload a video. So here I go. Now I'm going to put the pumpkins in. I know the potato is far from cooked, but I'll put the pumpkin in only because I want the pumpkin to go slightly mushy, so that becomes part of the soup as well, and it gets mushy into the broth. And then I'll get these little corns. You get these already chopped up in Woolies. So put the corn in there, and I've got beans and carrots, but they can go in later. Yeah, so now I'm gonna put in the herbs. This is lemon and herb garlic, guys. Yeah, so this is like 2 teaspoons. I have ginger. So I'll put a few shakes of those in there. I've got garlic. I like garlic, so I'll put a big heap and a little heap of garlic. And I also have onion powder. So I'll shake some of the onion powder in there. Make it all tasty. And I have a little bit of smoked paprika. It's like a half a teaspoon. Oh no, get another half a teaspoon. It's for the color, and it's smoked paprika, guys. So my broth is slowly forming together. And I got this magic syrup. Yep. I bought a sharp knife because I need some of these packets are going to be so stubborn, like the cook. Anyways, here we go. So, yeah, I just felt like some seafood soup. I have been wanting to do it for a while, but just slowly getting there now. So I stir this around and see if it's got enough salt. I have salt here, so not too bad, but I'll just put a little bit more. So I'll put a half a teaspoon first, just to spice up the flavor. Oh, there I go. I knew I'll forget stuff. Oh no, actually I forgot sea stuff. Won't be long, guys. It was free stuff actually. That was my black pepper. And this beef flavor. And my butter. Yeah, I want to add a tablespoon of butter in here. Now also, I'm going to give this a shake first. Shake, 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 shake your booty. Shake your booty. Shake, shake, shake. Yeah, love it now, shake. Yeah. I'll put about a tablespoon of this in it. Yeah, there. This is bulgogi. It's bulgogi sauce for beef or chicken. Just because they say beef, it doesn't mean you can't have it with chicken or anything else, because don't limit yourself, guys. Food is for experimenting. So I'm going to let that cook and marry together with all the flavors. You know, this pepper, I swear, gives me a hard time all the time. Like I want a fussy or something. Yeah, loving up. So, I just get this tea towel here. That's my Chinese cabbage. Oh, look, I can see the garlic bubbling along. Can you see the garlic, guys, bubbling along? You know what? I'm going to stick the carrots in there. It's nice to have the carrots all nice and soft. You know? I'm not a big fan of carrots. I know, it's funny. I fell pregnant one time and I lost interest in the taste of carrot. And ever since then, poor carrot. But yet carrot, before I fell pregnant, it was like my favorite snack to eat while I'm watching TV. Or I peel a couple of carrots and, you know, take it for my play lunch at school. I just loved carrots. Then ever since I fell pregnant, yung ngala, yep. With a mele carrot, yep. Or umufika, what? There ain't scar relationship anymore. So here and there, I'll make an effort. Yep, all the carrots in there. Sorry, carrot. I'm talking about you like you're not here. Yeah. So everything's oh, looks so good. So when the, you know, like everything, the hard stuff, it gets boiled and cooked, you know, like the potatoes and corn, then you start adding in your seafood. Oh, and guys, I am putting in udon noodle. My little udon noodle. Yeah, if you hear that little cough in the side there, see how I said it as she turns up the volume of her cough? That's my mama. Yeah, she's a lot better, guys. Yeah, went to the doctor, took her to the doctor, and I said to the doctor, this is what happened. The doctor said to me, you have to let her be independent as much as possible. You have to let her sit up on her own, and you have to keep on feeding her, but not a lot, just small portions. Okay, this is what happened the other day. So my husband goes and buys, because, you know, I felt, you know, I wanted my mum to eat something that she really enjoys, and one of her favourite food in the whole world is fillet of fish from McDonald's. So my husband went and bought the fillet of fish, and I put it in front of her and her cordial, and I said, there you go, eat it. She looks at it and she looks away, carries on colouring. And I thought, okay, it's been a while since you had your porridge, lady. You better. Anyway, so I encouraged her and I said, hello, hamburger, Elia, you know. So she picks it up, she takes a bite, and I'm feeling all happy, like, I knew she. Anyway, so I carried on watching TV, turned around, she's taking another bite, so I thought, yes, I was so happy. And anyway, so I'm watching TV, and I thought, oh, she might be finished. I'll go and get a cloth and something to wipe her hands and stuff like that. And I look, she no longer has the burger in her hand, and I thought, oh, that was fast. So she must have been hungry. So I said to her, did you eat all your burger? And she goes, and I go, oi, that's good. And before I turn my head to look back at the TV, guys, she's got this plastic container like this with all her colouring pencils and stuff in it. I was going to turn around and watch TV, but my eyes caught the container, and in the container, my mama has squashed her burger into it. Trying to pay her to go sit with me. So I got up and I said, hey, hello, burger, let all me make go eat. And then she goes, and I thought, oh, just not her. She loves fillet fish burger. It's her favourite thing in the whole wide world, other than fish. But she's not really into fish anymore. This lady is now starting to hide food so she doesn't have to eat it. So what I do now, I keep an eye on her. Like that. I know. Don't trust her anymore. Got trust issues with her right now. Anyway, guys, how are you all? Missed you guys. Thank you so much for all your fellas beautiful comments that you guys left me on my last video. Guys, oh, I appreciate you guys so much. You know, the next phone. No. Anyway, I can't answer that phone, but we can dance to it. You see, no one's here to answer the phone except my mama. My husband's going to get a pedicure. This is the vegetable topping. You know, I was very emotional reading your fellas' lovely comments. Guys, you guys are my YouTube family, and you guys are, you know, watching our channels and supporting, you know, from near and far. Oh, we all truly appreciate you guys. Whawhitai, whawhitai, whawhitai. Lava. I'll put the veggies and it looks quite pretty. Yeah, te koe whai resi mea rea whaaurere e kako supo wailoa. Yeah. You see? Oh, se lau marikasi pasenge. You know, gotta really thank God for his love and protection over us. He's still guiding us and protecting us, feeding us and keeping us healthy, guys. And that's why we always gotta give thanks to the one and only loving Father that, you know, give us all this blessing that we receive daily. And please put in a word in for those who are less fortunate than us. You know, we always got to remember each other in these hard times, you know, in life, you know. Thank you anyway for showing us, you know, that you're out there thinking of us and we're thinking of you guys too. And we hope that you guys stay blessed and everything all right, you know, in your fellows' homes. Yeah. Bye, Faye. You just gotta hope for the best and trust in God, you know, because when we're thinking we're struggling, there's people, you know, not as blessed as we, you know. So we just put ourselves in that set in their shoes and understand that we are a lot better off. You know. Anyway, look what I brought me. I brought my Turkish bread. So I thought when I have my soup, I'm gonna dip it. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, look at all my condiments or whatever component and say continental. Okay, I'll put it on, but when it bubbles over, I'll lift the lid off. So I stand guard here. Hey, Maria, Baba, you maka. So I've got mussel. That's Australian mussel. So I've got prawn, raw prawn. And I got me some, excuse you. Look at this puppy. It's a shell only? Rude. How dare you? And I soaked these in water last night, guys, and they opened up. And anyway, this one's got a puppy in it, and this one lost its partner. So guys, now I'm going to put some butter in the soup. 1 butter. So that's like a heap of teaspoon. So now guys, I'm going to put my beans in. The potatoes slowly cooking. So I'll put my beans in, scatter it everywhere here. Yeah, that'll do. Then I'll get some coriander. Gotta have coriander here. Got to. That's gonna bring like more flavor to the soup. Woohoo! Look how much of that. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Give it to me, baby. Yeah. Man, why am I singing these songs? Sorry, guys. Naughty songs. When I think about it, yeah, they are. I'm going to just do a prayer, just in case I start eating, right? Now, I'm going to put the udon noodle. Oh, it's got a little thing where it shows you where you can rip it. So, in goes the udon noodle. You can mingle in there. Mingo. You know what? I'm going to open up the second one. And I put it in there. How rude. Yeah. Now it's going to cool down the soup a bit because it's come out of the fridge. So, you know. So the noodles, like, the soup, I mean, is trying to be like calming it down, baby. Yeah, so the noodles in there. Okay, so let that simmer. Let that simmer and do their thing, baby. Just doing it. Let me have a taste again. Now, this is the time when I know I need a bit of salt or... Oh, that coriander made a Sure did. Made it even better. Now I'm going to start putting in my mussels. Oh, this is fun, guys. This is fun. Building up your own soup. So put in these mussels. Look at that. I cleaned all the mussels, scraped on the outside of the shell, broke some shell. You know, we had a good old time over at the sink. Look at that. Looks delicious, don't it? Yeah, and the pots are also getting a bit full. Oh, where's the udon noodle? Oh, there it is. Oh, yummy. Yummy. Yeah, so then I'm going to stick in the pippies. Put the pippies everywhere. I love pippi. I soaked the pippies overnight, because I don't want any sand in there, you know, because I know where these are New Zealand. Well, they call it clams, but, you know, to me it's pippies or cockles. Oh, one fell out. So, I love these so much, so I'm going to just put it in there. Get in there, baby. Get in there. Look how big they are. Oh. What are these guys doing? Look at that. They're piggybacking each other. Say, stop it. You guys are listening to my song, eh? Wow, look at this big mama. Big mama. I love me some cockles. I love me some pippies. I love coconut sauce. Sorry guys, just getting all excited for the soup. Yeah, now, and then I'll put all the prawns on the top. Oh, how dare you try and play hide and go seek with me? You get in there. You're part of the family, mate. Now, I'm going to put the prawns all on the top. Guys, this is a marriage happening here. A marriage happening in the pot. Yeah, my husband, he's been getting, he's a lot better. But let me start again. My husband, he's improved so much since coming out of the hospital. And, yeah, Chalura's calling my number. I should have put it on airplane mode so I don't get any calls. Chalura. Yeah. So, there we go. Ooh. And guess what, guys? Yeah. Oh, yay. I need a bigger boat. Nah, I need a bigger pot. Yeah, put all that like that. You know, when there's a will, there's a way, buddy. There's a will, there's a way. Now, I'm going to put the lid on. And then the pot boils over. That looks delicious. Anyway, I'm going to wait till the prawn cooks and then I'm going to turn it off and we're going to eat. Okay? We're going to eat. Well, guys, it's time to give this food a taste. I've got 2 bowls here. It's like for my showers and stuff. And I've got the bowl right here. This massive bowl for my soup. So, it's time to serve up. Some prawns, Chinese cabbage, peppies. Don't know if the mussels are open. They're not open. I'll have to do all the manual work by myself. Help! Prawns. Yummy. Some more of the Chinese cabbage. The African lady talking.
Sorry.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do my soup, my broth. The pippies come out of the shower. Oh yeah, gonna give me a corn as well. You know, a bit of each of all the stuff that I made. And I'm just gonna give me a broth. Broth. I didn't see any pumpkin. Pumpkin, where are you? Oh, here we are. A bit. Yeah. So, yep, time to taste all this. Like a bit. That's nice. Little prawn. I try not to get burnt. Cooked nice. And a little clam here. You always try to not overcook your seafood. Man, this is so lovely. Especially during winter time, eh? But you can eat this even in summertime. But I guess it'll make you really hot. Yummy. Chinese cabbage, guys. Look at that, it's fogging up. It is a shell of the Australian mussels. It's quite thin, eh? There's the bread. Shake it up with the... Hey guys, if you don't know already, My daughter's Desoray Sharon. They got a new vlog channel out now. So, you know, go and subscribe to them, please. And, you know, if you want to go along with where they go out and eat out or whatever they're doing on the day, they'll vlog it and take us along. So I'll put the link down below, guys. And then when you see it, please go and show them some love. They'll really appreciate that. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much. Yeah, this is why I wanted to put the pumpkin in early, so it can, you know, like mush into the soup. You know, if you want to make this soup, you make it any way you want and put whatever seasoning you want in there. But the seasoning that I put in here is what I had in my pantry and in the fridge. So if you add it all in, by the time it all bubbles together, it's going to make a really nice broth. So lovely. So lovely. You know, when I put the coriander in it, it really made a difference. For those who love coriander, the coriander will always come through. But there are people that don't really like the flavor of coriander. Then maybe you can use parsley. But I love coriander. Time for the corn. No. My husband loves corn. Him and Desoray. They both love corn. There was a time every week, never fail, we'd have a packet of corn in the fridge. Well, thank you for hanging out with me. Appreciate it. So I hope you guys make yourself a nice seafood soup and enjoy it with your family. This is enough for me. Then whoever else in this family wants to come and eat this, it's all theirs. I wish I could see you with some. But for now, you guys all take care. And thank you for all the comments and for taking the time to come and watch. But for now, I'll see you guys again on another video, God willing. And always take care of one another, guys. We've only got each other out in this big, big, bad world. Me and my soup are going now. Take care, fast with God bless.